What it do, baby? It's your girl Janae
and your boy Noah,
and we are back again with another freaking video.
Back with another banger.
This is something a little different.
This in my area a little bit.
This in his area. Okay, so I don't know if y'all know, but we both dropped cars. Period.
Simple.
We both dropped cars. He got a Ford and I got a Lincoln. They both burgundy or whatever. But anyways, our cars, we've had them for a minute and we haven't like really deep cleaned. We've cleaned, but we haven't deep cleaned. And we were just gonna get them detailed, but we personally just wanna clean our cars ourselves.
Yeah.
So today, part one is gonna be us cleaning my car. So let me show y'all how it look right now. Look, disclaimer. My car has been getting worked on. Still getting worked on, okay? Literally still getting worked on, but I want to fix my car up. And the people who were fixing on my car left the windows down and it rained, so now my car has mold. So if you see it, that's what it is. But anyways, okay, so this is my car right here. We're gonna make sure I don't get that in there. This is my car, a Lincoln or whatever. This is how the inside look. The people who be fixing on my car just be leaving their trash in here, so don't mind that. Okay, look, there go the mold. Ugh. That's how the back look, and here go the front. Yes, babes need some help, but look, I got a sunroof, okay, and that's just period. But yeah, so first we about to start off with vacuum cleaning. So that's what Noah getting set up right here. We about to vacuum clean first, so y'all about to see that. Okay guys, that was enough carpet action. I'm about to go in the car and wipe stuff down. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I got this steering wheel, and let me tell y'all, it's a basic steering wheel because Noah talked me down from getting a bling one or a fur one because he said
you should have went with the bling because you got everything else in your car bling.
So I just got this basic one or whatever. But it's good because it's kind of like your steering wheel and I like your steering wheel. So it's whatever. I don't know if I really would have even liked the bling one or a fur one. It might have been too much for me. You never know. So yeah, I got this steering wheel. I got these for Noah's car. They're coasters. I do too much, I know. And then I got this. It's for my license plate. period. It's bling. And then here go my coasters. Yes. And then I got this phone stand. So you know how I said like some stuff I'm gonna take on my car, some stuff I'm not. Like this gonna end up probably staying in the car, but it's cool because I never seen one like this. Like your phone can go, ain't this landscaping in, and then what's this, up and down landscape? I don't know. Your phone can go this way and that way, horizontal and vertical. Your phone can go. And I got car lights.
We're probably not gonna put those in.
Probably not gonna put my car lights in until my car is detailed and worked on. Finished worked on. I got this glitter and I'm mad because I thought it was gonna be like a whole roll, but it's just, I say glitter. It's bling, rhinestone. Y'all, my hands ashy. I thought it was gonna be a whole roll, but it's just like this one sheet. Like, what I'm gonna do with this, but I'm gonna figure something out. So these probably still gonna stay on the car because they sticky. And then this on my seatbelt. This for my gear shift. I think that one's for that. Oh no, this one for my gear shift. What's this one for?
It's probably the parking brake.
Oh yeah, this the parking. Okay, so yeah, this my seatbelt, this the parking brake, and this the gear shift. Thank you, my bobber.
It's kind of ghetto that they didn't give you 2 of those bling seatbelt ones.
It's whatever. And then here go my seat covers. So yeah, let's get to putting this stuff on. Y'all, this is a task within itself.
I'm probably gonna have to buy you some more of this, because it's not actually hard. I did not think it was gonna be as hard as it is. I'm about to try and just cut a rectangle real quick and...
Okay, so I still don't got everything that I want for my car, but here is what the car seats on. I only got seats for the front. I don't know if I'm gonna get some from the back, but here go this. And then this part, we got Lincoln, period, the Lincoln Daddy. And then my phone go there. Yes, I'm gonna take this down because I done had this in here for a minute. Ooh. What else I got? That's pretty. Oh, I've been had this. It's a little duster. And then here go little things on my purse. I'm gonna probably get something to go over here too. But yeah, so this is my car. Yeah, I think I'm about to put some. Okay, here go my blinged out thing. All right guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and
subscribe.
We should get our post notifications bell. A ring a ding 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 ding.
Cringe, but okay.
Okay, and we sorry we haven't been posting, but we recording like we got. This gonna be our second video recorded, and we about to record some more. We gonna edit them. We gonna post them. We got y'all. We sorry we've been slacking, but school is very stressful right now. Very. But yeah. Come on. Peace.